The more words a child hears, the better their language development. So, when you're speaking to them, it can be helpful to use expanded sentences. You can think of this like a balloon. Using only a few words with them is like a deflated balloon. Whereas using expanded sentences, full of specific detail, is like an inflated balloon, and it can be more helpful to them as they learn. For example, when you're speaking to them, instead of just telling them, "Go outside," you could say, "Go outside to play with your friends and enjoy the nice weather." Or, instead of saying, "Come here," you can say, "Come here and I will comb your hair so you will look nice today." Or, instead of saying, "Look," you can say, "Look at the beautiful butterfly sitting on an orange flower." Speaking to them in expanded sentences like these will help the child learn new words and understand how to use sentences.